The 360-degree camera market is on the brink of a potential revolution. With the Insta360 X5 rumored to debut in the later quarter of 2025, the industry is watching closely to see whether this next-generation device can solidify Insta360's dominance in a field increasingly crowded by rivals like GoPro and DJI. While the X4 set a high bar with its 8K resolution, AI-powered stabilization, and user-friendly design, the Insta360 X5 faces the challenge of pushing boundaries further. But will the rumored improvements be enough to crown it the undisputed leader? Let's discuss more. The most persistent rumor surrounding the Insta360 X5 centers on its sensor. The X4's 0.5-inch sensor, while capable of 72-megapixel 360-degree photos and 8K video, has limitations in dynamic range and low-light performance, common pain points for action cameras. Industry insiders speculate the X5 will adopt a larger 1-inch or 2/3-inch sensor, a move that would align it with high-end compact cameras like the Insta360 One R1-inch edition. Such an upgrade could dramatically improve light capture, reducing noise in dim environments and enhancing color accuracy. For adventurers filming dusk hikes or indoor creators working with mixed lighting, this shift would be transformative. A larger sensor would also benefit video reframing, a key feature for creators who extract standard 16:9 clips from 360-degree footage. With higher resolution sensors, cropped segments could retain sharper detail, minimizing the pixelation that sometimes plagues edited 8K 360 footage. While the Insta360 X5 is unlikely to jump to 10K resolution due to processing and file size constraints, refining pixel quality over quantity could make its output more versatile for professional workflows. If executed well, this upgrade might position the X5 as a hybrid tool for both casual vloggers and commercial filmmakers. Audio has long been the Achilles heel of action cameras. While the X4 introduced voice control and basic wind reduction, users still struggle with muffled dialogue and ambient noise, overpowering recordings. The Insta360 X5 is expected to tackle this through a combination of hardware and software innovations. Leaks suggest a multi-mic array with directional pickup patterns, aiming to isolate vocals from background sounds during activities like skiing or motorsports. Additionally, AI-driven noise reduction, similar to smartphone algorithms, might debut, dynamically suppressing wind roar or traffic noise without manual editing. Perhaps the most intriguing possibility is Bluetooth microphone support. While external mic compatibility has been absent in prior Insta360 models, the Insta360 X5 could break this pattern, allowing creators to attach lapel or shotgun mics for interviews or narrative projects. This would bridge the gap between 360 cameras and traditional filmmaking gear, appealing to documentary shooters and journalists. However, integrating such a feature without compromising the camera's waterproofing or compact design remains a technical hurdle. If Insta360 succeeds, the X5 could become the first 360 camera to offer studio-grade audio flexibility. No component of a 360 camera is more vulnerable than its dual fisheye lenses. The Insta360 X4's removable guards were a step forward, but users still report scratches and cracks from impacts. The X5 is rumored to address this with hardened glass, featuring anti-reflective coatings, similar to smartphone screens, that resist scuffs and glare. Some prototypes suggest a retractable lens cover mechanism, though this risks adding bulk to the sleek, pocketable design Insta360 is known for. Another possibility is self-healing lens coatings, a technology used in premium eyewear. These polymers can repair minor scratches when exposed to heat, potentially extending the camera's lifespan. Paired with improved IP ratings, the Insta360 X5 might survive extreme environments that currently require bulky housings. For surfers, climbers, or travelers in sandy regions, such durability upgrades would reduce the anxiety of damaging a $600 device during daring shoots. GoPro's reintroduction of GPS in its Hero 13 highlighted a feature gap in Insta360's offerings. The X5 is poised to respond by embedding GPS directly into the camera, enabling geotagged footage and speed dock distance overlays. For adventure athletes, this means mapping a mountain bike descent's exact route or displaying a kayaker's velocity in rapids, details that add narrative depth to edits. Moreover, GPS could synergize with Insta360's app ecosystem. Imagine auto-generating travel montages sorted by location or competitions where users share tagged routes. While privacy-conscious creators might disable this, its inclusion would cater to the growing demand for data-rich content in sports marketing and tourism. The Insta360 X4's 135-minute runtime at 5.7K at 30 frames per second is respectable, but 8K recording drains cells faster. The X5 is expected to house a higher capacity battery, possibly 2,000 mAh, up from 1,800 mAh, paired with power-efficient processors. However, true innovation may lie in thermal design. Overheating plagues all action cameras in 8K mode, often forcing shutdowns mid-shoot. Leaked patents show Insta360 experimenting with vapor chamber cooling, a technique used in gaming phones, to dissipate heat silently. Combined with a redesigned aluminum alloy body, this could let the X5 record 8K continuously without throttling, a feat no current 360 camera achieves. Hardware aside, the Insta360 X5's software could redefine usability. The X4's flow state stabilization is already industry-leading, but rumors hint at AI-based horizon locking that adjusts for sudden tilts, useful for motorcycle POV shots or drone-like aerial angles. Another anticipated feature is real-time lens stitching, eliminating the post-processing delay that frustrates editors. AI editing tools might also leap forward. The X4's auto frame suggests clips based on motion detection, but the X5 could analyze facial expressions, composition, and even audio cues to auto-generate highlight reels. For influencers and brands, this would slash editing time while maintaining a polished look. The Insta360 X4 launched at $499, but the X5's upgrades could push its price to $599 to $649. While this makes it pricier, it strategically positions the X5 against GoPro's Max 2, which is expected around $699, and DJI's rumored 360 camera. To offset the higher price, Insta360 might bundle accessories like lens guards or a premium case. Additionally, trade-in programs for X3 or X4 owners could help ease the upgrade cost and strengthen brand loyalty. The Insta360 X5 isn't just an incremental update, it's a strategic play to dominate the prosumer market. By refining core features like low-light imaging and durability while adding pro-oriented tools like GPS and AI audio, Insta360 risks alienating budget buyers but could captivate serious creators. Success hinges on balancing innovation with reliability. A buggy launch or overheating issues would cede ground to rivals. If executed as speculated, however, the Insta360 X5 might not just wear the crown, it could redefine the kingdom of 360 filmmaking. What do you think? Share with us in the comments. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, thanks for tuning in.